Dustin Meyer. I'm from Missoula, Montana, born and raised here. Been an avid outdoorsman my whole life. I enjoy hunting, elk hunting. I've been elk hunting since I could walk with my dad, whether it be archery hunting or rifle hunting. We own a ranch, got horses. When you're out and about and the roads are tough and the conditions are tough, having the right gear gives me the confidence to get where I need to be and have a great experience in whatever I'm doing. You know, rough roads and bad terrain are all part of the deal being out here.
Every time you connect your winch to an anchor point or load, you want to feel confident in your setup, no matter what you're up against. A great go-to combination of a quality worn winch along with the Factor 55 closed winching system can make all the difference. You want to be sure whatever you have will perform, even in the toughest situations. That's where Closed System Winching steps up, and that's where Factor 55 products shine.
So whatever winching system, accessories and stuff you decide to use, make sure you know its ratings, make sure it's in good working order, and know how to use it. If you ever have a chance, maybe go through a winching class or a rigging class and get up to par on it. It's always good to stay safe and know what you're using.
What is closed system winching? It works with some of the same components of traditional winching: drum, cable, rope, except it features all closed link hardware rather than a typical metal winch hook.
All right, we got the Factor 55 flat link here into a shackle. Something that's unique about this closed link winching system, there's no hooks. It's all closed. There's no way for it to come unhooked and go flying.
All winching contact points are closed link, solid connections. Winching loads can shift, or a pull strap can loosen and tighten again. The solid style connection stays attached throughout. Closed link hardware has no weak points because it features solid connection points at both ends.
The Warren Hub app's awesome. You can download it right from the store. It gives you full functionality of your winch straight to your cell phone. Works great and keeps you out of harm's way.
Factor 55 products have a screw pin shackle, which have a much higher working load limit than the standard winch hook. Easy to switch too. Just replace the standard hook with one of Factor 55's American-made, highly engineered, and tested to failure products. And you can see examples of this destructive testing on our YouTube and website. Integrated rubber pads on F55 products protect the fair lead surface and allow the winch line to be stowed and protected until the winch is needed. Constructed from billet aluminum and titanium, very light and strong. Factor 55 products, all engineered, tested, patented, and made in the USA, out of USA-made materials. Did we mention it looks nicer too? If you have a rig that you're proud of, you can color match your Factor 55 product to your vehicle.
Factor 55 developed a full line of accessories for their closed system winching. It's all made in USA, factory tested. If you have any other questions, you can go to factor55.com. They have a full line of videos on how-tos and testing videos on there. Give it a look.
With all the benefits and no real downside, why not make the switch to Factor 55's closed system winching? It's the ultimate in vehicle recovery hardware, and it's available for power sports use as well.